All right, we're going to have a look at doing this mechanism over here. You can see that I've drawn out that schematic diagram, placing point P over there, point B over there, point C over there, then there's a D there, and there's a D there. Okay, it says here a linked crank mechanism consisting of crank AB, which is attached to connecting rod BC at B. Okay, so it's connected over there. As the crank AB rotates, there's AB rotates, in the clockwise direction, you can see that I drew an arrow on there. C moves to and fro. In other words, moving back and forth along that D line over there, along DD, axis DD. Okay, instructions, draw the story over there, and you need to find the generated point of the locus of the point for one complete revolution. Right, okay, step number one, I'm going to take this length over here between B and C, and B is going to move to point 2 over there, and I'm going to end up with a point 2 over here. So 2, that would be C2 over there, okay? And once I've done that, I'm going to draw a line going through point 2 and point 2, as fast as I can, and I can then measure off this distance over here between P and B, okay? Sorry, not that distance from D to P over there. I take that to my point over there, and I place that down, giving me a point P over there. That would be P2. So that would be P1, P2. Right, I then take my pair of compasses. It moves from 2 to 3. Let's move that, mark that point as 3. Take a line going through B over here. Through 3, sorry, I'm really not concentrating. Take a line going from 3 through 3 over there, and then you measure off that distance, PD, PC at least, cheapest. PC, go to point 3, mark that off over there, and mark that as P3. Right, let's see if I can get it right this time. Okay, I'm going to take a point from point 4, mark it off. There is my point 4. Right, I take a line going, well, you've already got that line, going from point 4 through to point 4 over there. I'm going to take my measurement of PD over there, go to point 4 over here, mark off where point P is. There is point P, 4. Right, go to point 5, there's point 5, mark off where point 5 is. There is point 5. Take a line through point 5. Mark off the distance PC, yeah, PC, there we go. And that would be P5. Take distance. That distance, go to 6, measure off. That would be 6 over there. Take a line through 6. Take the distance, PD, from point 6 over there. Mark off. Let's just check that I did get that distance right. Oopsie, no, that. Please check that you are always measuring correctly. I'm going to give you a mark over there. Right, there is P6. Right, take distance BD, go to 7, mark off where 7 is. Take a line from point 7 through 7. And you're going to mark off that distance, PC, from point 7. There's point P7. Go to point 8. Mark that as point 8. Take a line from point 8 to point 8. that off. The distance PC, like this, PC, go to point 8, mark that off over there. There's point 8, P8. Find 9, mark that off. There is 9. Take a line going from 9 through 9. 9 through 9 over there. From 9, take this distance, go to 9, mark that off. There is P9. 10. It's an easy one, it's on the straight line over there. 10. I've already got the line, so we just need to extend it out a little bit. Take the measurement PC, go to 10, go to 10, mark that as P10. 11, let's go to 11. There is 11. 11, take a line from 11 through 11. Mark off this distance PC from 11 over there to over there, and I'm marking that P11. Go P12, P12. There is P12 over there. We need to find P12 by drawing a line going through 12. Mark off the distance CP from 12. There we go. There is point P12. And I can now join these dots up. Okay, so P1 going through to P12, going through to P11, going through to P10, going through to P9, going through to P8, going through to P7, going through to P6, going through to P5, which is over there, P5, going through to P4 over there, going through to P3, where's P3, P3, there's P3, going through to, sorry, let's just go 3, P3, going through up to P2 over there, going around to P1 over there, and I can now draw in a nice curve showing the loci of that point going around. There we go. And that is the loci of the point P.